Best ways to prevent chickenpox spread.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the best ways to prevent the spread of chickenpox. Chickenpox is a contagious disease, and while it's common in children, adults can get it too. Let's dive into the measures you can take to keep yourself and others safe. Prevention is always better than cure.
What is chickenpox?
Chickenpox is a contagious viral infection caused by the varicella zoster virus. It's characterized by an itchy skin rash that turns into fluid-filled blisters which eventually crust over. While usually mild, complications can arise, especially in adults, infants, or those with weakened immune systems.
How is it spread?
The disease is spread through direct contact with the rash, through the air. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, it's crucial to know how it spreads to prevent it effectively.
What are the best ways to prevent its spread?
1. Vaccination. The best way to prevent chickenpox is to get the chickenpox vaccine. It's usually given in 2 doses, one at 12 to 15 months and a second dose at 4 to 6 years of age. 2. Isolation. If someone in your household has chickenpox, keep them isolated from others as much as possible until the rash has crusted over. This can help prevent the spread to others. 3. Practice good hygiene. Ensure that everyone in the house washes their hands frequently, especially after touching the rash or anything that might have come in contact with it. 4. Avoid touching the face. Encourage children and adults not to touch their face without washing their hands first. 5. Cleaning. Regularly clean and disinfect surfaces in your home, especially if someone is infected. 6. Avoid pregnant women and those with weakened immune systems. Chickenpox can have more severe effects on these groups, so it's crucial to protect them. Chickenpox might seem like a benign childhood illness, but its spread can be prevented, protecting not only children but also adults and vulnerable groups. Remember, the key is vaccination and maintaining good hygiene practices. Stay safe, and here's hoping this video has equipped you with the knowledge to prevent the spread of chickenpox.